Hello, this is Keith All. Today we're going to be working with the Builderall platform, and we're going to learn how we can make buttons or button elements in the Cheetah Builder round, both on the desktop version and the mobile version. Now I'm working with the desktop version right now, and the way you do that is you select one of these icons up here in the upper left hand corner. This is the desktop version over here. This is the mobile version, and of course the middle is for the tablet. And it says the tablet version is basically a preview of the mobile version. And it says the changes made here will also be made in the mobile version. So basically it's simple. So first let's work with the desktop version. Now I have a button element that I added to this particular panel. So to make sure that you add your element to the right panel, always select the panel first and then come up here, click on Add, click on Elements, and then select the appropriate element that you want. So I just selected this button element right here and put it over here. So now let's edit the button element. We're going to select it. We're going to come over here, and of course what I want to do is change something with the button itself. Of course you could go like this to make it perfectly round. You could grab that handle and click until it gets round. But of course the text on there overlays the edges. So that could be the way that you could fix the text is go over to the headline setting for the button element and just decrease the font size. Now of course I'm not going to be using text on here, but what you could do is, let's say you want to have an icon on here. So what we do is get rid of the headline and then come down here. It says icon, show icon list, and you could select any one of these icons. So I'm just going to select this, select that, and then you got that there. Then all you have to do then is come up here and change the font size. Okay, so that is the way that you can make buttons round on the desktop. But let's see now how this change here affects the mobile version. So let's go up here and select the mobile. And as you can see on the mobile, it didn't make it perfectly round like it did on the desktop version. So in order to make this element on the mobile version round, select it, come over here to the right, and see this setting right here, maximum width on mobile. And it also affects the tablet version. All you have to do is just adjust this slider downwards until it starts getting smaller. And as you can see over on the left, now you can see the button now becomes round. And you just have to play with it, just a slight change to get it the adjustment that you want. And there you go. And now let's increase the size. Let's change this. That looks a little bit better. Okay, let's change the size of this icon. And you could do that both on the mobile version and desktop version. So let's select the headline element, and what you want to do is change the font size on mobile. This font size refers to what's on the desktop. This refers to what's on the mobile. So let's increase that. And there you have it. So that's how you can make buttons round both on the desktop version and on the mobile version. So let's just go back to the desktop. and make sure it didn't change, which it didn't. So that's how, again, that's how we can make adjustments to buttons in the Cheetah Builder within the Builderall platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you today and gave you new ideas on how you can work with button elements both on the mobile and desktop version. I want to thank you again for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification so you'll always get updated when a new video is ready. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your input. It helps me make better videos in the future. And also, if you have a question regarding this video, type it in the comment section below. Or if you have an idea for a video, please let me know in the same manner, and then I'll make a future video. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.